Milwaukee has changed the game across nearly every category, from power tools, outdoor equipment, and lighting. Now they're stepping into new territory. This isn't just a new tool, it's a statement built for pros who work through winter's toughest conditions. Meet Milwaukee's newest snowblower. The M18 Fuel 21 auger propelled dual battery single stage snowblower. Purpose-built, cordless, battery-powered with a POWERSTATE Brushless Motor delivering the equivalent of a 7.5 horsepower motor. 21 inches wide, 12-inch intake height, clearing snow with a throw distance up to 35 feet forward and 30 feet to the side. A reinforced rubber auger and a 40% wire opening to tackle deeper winter drifts. The frame's dual-coated zinc and powder to fight rust, season after season. It's 10 decibels quieter than the standard 252cc gas blower, running about 92 dB. With an instant start under 1 second, runs on two M18 REDLITHIUM FORGE 12-amp batteries. Running about 90 pounds with batteries or 83 tool only. And yes, you can store vertically to save space. LED headlights are mounted right on the handlebar for better visibility. The kit includes the blower, two 12-amp batteries, a dual rapid charger, and the scrench, backed up by a 3-year warranty on both tool and batteries. If you're already running an M18 or want to consider ditching gas for good, you'll want to see this perform in the field. All this for $22.48. Visit our website at www.jcka.com to pre-order. Follow us for a full breakdown and in-test results once the snow hits. This is one of Milwaukee's most significant steps forward yet.